How to freeze Instagram account. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your Instagram application and get logged into your Instagram account. Then tap onto your profile on your bottom right. You will see a three-bar icon on your top page. Tap onto it. Under here, tap on Accounts Center. Then under Account Settings, go ahead and tap Open the option that says Personal Details. Here you will see Account Ownership and Control. Tap Open it, and then tap on Deactivation or Deletion. Now, if your Facebook and Instagram account are connected, you will see Facebook and Instagram. Let's go ahead and tap onto Instagram, and it will show you two options. One is deactivate account and another is delete account. Deactivating your account will freeze your account until you open it, so let's go ahead and toggle on deactivate account and tap on continue. Lastly, you have to enter your password, and once you do so, all you have to do is tap on to continue, and that will deactivate or freeze your account until you open them. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.